How to format text in Microsoft Word. In this video, you will be learning how to format text in Microsoft Word. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. The profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. Formatted text can draw the reader's attention to specific parts of a document and emphasise important information. In Word, you can have several options for adjusting text, including font, size, and colour. You can also adjust the alignment of the text to change how it is displayed on the page. How to change the font size. First, select the text you want to modify. Then, on the Home tab, click the Font Size drop-down arrow. Select a font size from the menu. If the font size you need is not available in the menu, you can click the font size box and type the desired font size, then press Enter. Then, the font size will change in the document. You can also use the Grow Font and Shrink Font commands to change the font size. How to change font style. By default, the font of each new document is set to Calibri. However, Word provides many other fonts you can use to customize text. First, select the text you want to modify. Then, on the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow next to the font box. A menu of font styles will appear. Then select the font style you want to use. Then the font will change in the document. When creating a professional document or a document that contains multiple paragraphs, you'll want to select a font that's easy to read. Along with Calibri, standard reading fonts include Cambria, Times New Roman, and Arial. How to change the font colour. First, select the text you want to modify. On the Home tab, click the Font Colour drop-down arrow. The Font Colour menu will then appear. Select the font colour you want to use. The font colour will change in the document. Your colour choices aren't limited to the drop-down menu that appears. Select More Colours at the bottom of the menu to access the Colours dialog box. Choose the colour you want, then click OK. How to use the bold, italic, and underline commands. The bold, italic, and underline commands can be used to help draw attention to important words or phrases. First, select the text you want to modify. Then, on the Home tab, click the bold, italic, or underline command in the font group. In our example, we'll click bold. Then, the selected text will be modified in the document. How to change text case. When you need to quickly change the text case, you can use the Change Case command instead of deleting and retyping text. First, select the text you want to modify. Then, on the Home tab, click the Change Case command in the font group. Then, a drop-down menu will appear. Select the desired case option from that menu. Then, the text case will be changed in the document. How to highlight text. Highlighting can be a useful tool for marking important text in your document. First, select the text you want to highlight. Then, from the Home tab, click the Text Highlight Colour drop-down arrow. The Highlight Colour menu appears. Then, select the desired highlight colour. The selected text will then be highlighted in the document. To remove highlighting, select the highlighted text, then click the Text Highlight Colour drop-down arrow. Select No Colour from the drop-down menu. If you need to highlight several lines of text, changing the mouse into a highlighter may be a helpful alternative to selecting and highlighting individual lines. Click the Text Highlight Colour command and the cursor changes into a highlighter. You can then click and drag the highlighter over the lines you want to highlight. How to change text alignment. By default, Word aligns text to the left margin in new documents. However, there may be times when you want to adjust the alignment to the centre or right. First, select the text you want to modify. Then, on the Home tab, select one of the 4 alignment options from the paragraph group. In our example, we've selected Center Alignment. Then the text will be realigned in the document. Now that you've learned about formatting text in Microsoft Word, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to browse the web safely and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. If you like this video, please like, share it and subscribe to our channel. Questions for you. What do you want to learn? What tips will be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us.